Now there ain't nothing to it, go ahead and bring Goliathon. Ain't no giant, I ain't gon' fire on. Catch a fade, you I'm wrong, I'm gone. Y'all can catch the wave that I am on. I am icon, y'all are wide.
Hey there everyone, Clark Brown here. This is Disaster Podcaster. I'm just giving you a little quick promo to get ready for next week. Every Wednesday, 3 p.m. Eastern, we do Disaster Podcaster live. So we will stream it live to our Facebook channel, Disaster Podcaster, and to our YouTube channel, which is Restoration Advisors. Both of these links, all of our links will be in the description below. Set a calendar reminder. Set a calendar reminder. I think that the more people we have listen and call in, the more fun it will be, because we actually are taking live callers. The live call-in number is 833-262-2410. You call in, discuss the topic. Next week, episode 2 of season 2 is going to be great. I have in my hand here some printed emails of a discussion and conversation back and forth with an insurance company and with a contractor and a customer that you aren't going to believe the gall of this adjuster and a TPA, by the way. Contractor is not on the TPA. They just advocated themselves to call and touch base. It's going to be good. I've got to redact some things. We're going to do a screen share. We're going to have it download. From this, I'm going to show you, just to make sure you understand what they're trying to do, is part 1. Part 2, how I think it's best for everyone. Like this person did pretty well, but how I think everyone should handle professionally but firmly, and that goes with onboarding your customer to let them know this kind of stuff is happening and that you won't participate and you're just there to do the job. Next week, Disaster Podcaster, Wednesday, 3 p.m. Eastern, right here on Facebook at Disaster Podcaster, or on our YouTube channel, Restoration Advisors. Subscribe anyway. We're always dropping good content. We ask nothing of you. We just want you to be there and to tell others. Take care.